Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in the mobile phone gallery. So how you can fix this problem. So keep watching my video and follow my steps. You have to open WhatsApp, then you have to click on the three dots on top right corner. Then you have to click on settings, then you have to click on the chats. Here you see the option media visibility. So this option is now turned off. You have to turn on this option. After turn on this option, now you will receive the photos in the and videos in the chats will be automatically shown in the mobile phone gallery. Okay, so this way you can fix this problem. I hope you will like my video. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye.